in my personal opinion, is the most versatile shear that we make overall. This shear has been redesigned numerous times, and at this point it is absolutely perfect. So a couple of design factors in this shear that are very different than the Mamba. Number one, you'll notice that this has a much fatter blade on it. So it's designed to push through thick, coarse hair super easily. The radius on the blade is a little bit different, so it's designed to peel hair when you're slide cutting or carving or channel cutting. I personally love this shear because of the super high tang, the comfortability, the way it sits into my hand. It just allows for controllability. When it comes to the shears, for me, when I go in, I don't like to see my stylists compromise. I let them know all their options, but I also let them know the value. Like, you get a lot of clients who come in, and I say this, you address your stylist as if you were the client coming in. I'm in a hurry, I have to pick up my daughter in 45 minutes, but I need my hair cut. Well, these are the shears that allow you to do that dry and give them that finished look without jeopardizing the quality. And it speeds up your haircut tremendously. If you're able to shave 1 minute off of every section that you do, at the end of the day, you have 30-40 minutes left, and that is $50 to $100 in your pocket. This shear does that for you.